it is very important in nowadays to take care about our immunity system. So today we are going to answer the most important questions from our patients. Let's have a look on the first question.
A patient complaining of long-term stress related to a very intense lifestyle, a lot of work and a lot of household chores and childcare.
Stress can cause a magnesium deficiency, and a lack of magnesium increases the stress response. Since stressful living conditions require body to consume more magnesium, all of these conditions can lead to a deficiency. And it's not only about stress in a psychological sense, but also about physical forms of stress related to experiences such as surgery, burns, or chronic diseases. MagneCore will reduce the tension caused by stress.
Patient had used magnesium before and saw no improvement.
Most probably, the magnesium did not help him because the patient had a food intolerance. Most of the magnets on the market contain starch and lactose. 30% of people are lactose intolerant and often go undiagnosed. In this situation, magnesium is not absorbed in a sufficient dose. MagneCore does not contain starch, lactose, or any other fillers. MagneCore is absorbed in at least 90%, so it's one of the most effective products on the market.
Patients also complain of painful muscle spasms, tics in the face, eyelid twitching, or involuntary eye movements.
Magnesium is essential for your muscles to relax. Without it, our muscles would be in constant state of contraction. Very often test results indicating a calcium deficiency may also indicate magnesium deficiency. Often one of the first recommendations of doctors after obtaining low calcium results in magnesium supplementation. People over 55 are particularly vulnerable to magnesium deficiency. It has been proven that the aging processes, stress and diseases contribute to the increase the demand for magnesium. Unfortunately, most older people actually get less magnesium from their food than when they were younger. In addition, today's food, especially processed meat, is not conducive to the correct level of this mineral in our body. In addition, as we age, magnesium metabolism may be less efficient as changes in the digestive tract and kidneys contribute to decreased magnesium absorption.
Some doctors argue that magnesium deficiency is known as the silent epidemic of our time.
Magnesium activates over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, which translates into thousands of biochemical reactions taking place in tissues and organs every day. According to magnesium experts, adequate level of magnesium can improve heart health, prevent strokes and obesity, and improve mood and memory.
Magnesium researcher Mildred Seelig called magnesium the silent guardian of our hearts and arteries and a mineral essential to life. Dr. Carolyn Dean also called magnesium the missing link in total health.
Most dark carbonated drinks contain phosphates. These substances bind with magnesium, making it impossible for the body to digest. So even if you eat a balanced diet, by drinking soda, you are losing the magnesium that you would otherwise have absorbed. Refined sugar is not only a magnesium-free product, it also causes the kidneys to excrete magnesium. The sugar refining process completely removes the molasses from sugarcane, and with it, in the magnesium compounds. The more sweets you have in your diet, the more likely you are to be deficient in magnesium and other important nutrients. The Level of magnesium in the body is primarily controlled by the kidneys, which filter and excrete excess magnesium and other minerals. Caffeine causes your kidney to excrete more magnesium, regardless of your body's actual needs. If you regularly drink caffeinated drinks such as coffee, tea, and sodas, you increase your risk of a magnesium deficiency. The effect of alcohol on magnesium levels is similar to that of diuretics. It lowers the level of magnesium available to cells and increasing the renal excretion of magnesium. In clinical trials, magnesium deficiency was found in 30% of alcoholics. Decreased vitamin B6 levels are manifested by eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, rash, itchy skin, and other dermatological disorders. Anemia, depression, and other neurological disorders can also occur. If you have noticed changes in the skin, hair loss, numbness in your hands and feet, be sure to consult a specialist because maybe a deficiency of vitamin B6 applies to you. Research by scientists shows that you should take care of your adequate supply of vitamin B6, as deficiency may carry a risk of breast cancer in women who have gone through the menopause.
When can we expect to be deficient in vitamin B6?
Mental retardation, problems with proper bone development, epilepsy attacks, and excessive irritability in infants are often observed in children. These are symptoms that may indicate a vitamin B6 deficiency. By choosing MagneCore, you can be sure that your children, your parents, and you are getting the best health protection, which is the basis for happiness in every person's life.